Welcome to our video on how to connect power leads to the Siamese RG59 cable. You will need the following items. RG59 cable. We recommend you use ETL or UL approved cable. It is a synonymous of quality, reliability, and reduction of liability and risk across the entire supply chain. Power lead pigtail, either female or male. You will need a female pigtail if you're going to power the camera with an individual 12-volt power supply. If you use a power box, you can connect the RG59 directly to the power box. The male pigtail is used on the camera end. Beanies, wire cutter or stripper. Step 1. Separate the power from the video on the RG59. Peel off the white jacket from the power of the RG59. Separate positive from negative. Peel the jacket of both the positive and negative wires on the RG59. Step 2. Separate positive from negative from the pigtail. Peel off the red and black jackets from the pigtail. The same instructions apply for either female or male pigtail. Step 3. Join the negative end of the RG59 cable with the negative end of the pigtail with a twisting motion. Join the positive end of the RG59 cable with the positive end of the pigtail with a twisting motion. Step 4. Insert the beanie into the joined negative cables. Repeat with the positive cables. Crimp tightly, making sure that both ends are securely fastened. Step 5. Now you're ready to insert the male plug of the RG59 cable to the female plug of the camera. You can also connect the BNC male video plug to the camera female video plug. Thanks for watching.